Hi guys, happy Monday. Shout out to Uy Dental Clinic. I'm currently wearing my invisible retainers. Such a slay, right? Hindi alatong naka-retainers tayo. Thank you so much, UDC. Anyway guys, we're here sa Genki Sushi. I'm with my brother. We're gonna have lunch together. It's work day for me, but you know, we're unwinding this lunchtime. But I finally got the chance to get myself a Smisky Hipper. I've been wanting it since last year, so I really thought hard about this, considering the price range and everything. I really wanted this for my phone. I don't know if food is coming. Anyway, I hear something. We're gonna be unboxing this. So my nails aren't long right now. Oh, the food is here. Okay. Bam. Charps, is this right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hindi magsastop yung... Oh. Okay, sorry about that. We're finally gonna unbox this. Yan. Like what I was saying, I don't have long nails right now. Sorry, look oh. Watch my unboxing. We're doing it. Oh, this is hard to open. I broke it. Ba't ganyan?
You can do it.
Ay, it's supposed to be broken. Never mind. Pinag-ingatan ko pa. I don't know what I want eh. I like everything naman. Ay, gusto ko yung ano, naka-headphones pala. Tama ba yun? Ay, I think maganda yung nakukuha ko. Lahat naman gusto ko eh. Here we go. Oh my god, this! It's so cute! Yay! Okay. So guys, ito yung unboxing ko ng aking Smisky Hipper. I told myself na I will only stop at 1. I'm not gonna get another one. Enough na to. And guys, cute lang. Anyway, pretend nyo na lang yung hipper nandito sa Hana Sushi ko. Sana tama yung sinabi ko. Anyway guys, that's all for this video. I'm so happy ngayon. I'm gonna stick it na sa phone. Okay, bye!